Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to see the app history on Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and all you need to do, just type play.google.com and hit the enter button. So that will take you into this page, and of course you would like to be logged in into your account. If you are not logged in into your account, you'll find at the top right corner a profile icon. Of course for you it will be empty. You click on it and you'll be able to log in into your account, or even to create an account if you don't have one. Of course you'll be able to do those two options with your Google account, so you don't go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account, and it will be much faster. So once you did all those options, or one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage as we said. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to actually see the app history on your account on the Google Play Store. So if you want to do that, simply you would like to go at the top right corner icon, click on it, and then go and click at Library and Devices. From there, you'll find yourself here on the apps. Of course you can select just the games if you are interested, by just the games, and you'll see all the games already installed on your devices. It's actually select the account, so whatever device you already had the account on, you will find the games that you installed here. Of course the apps including the games will be here, and the wish list will be here, and of course the devices of your account will be here. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.